Here at La Joya ISD, we believe learning doesn't stop when the school year ends. That's why our ADSY summer program provides students with opportunities to continue growing academically while having fun in a positive and engaging environment. Throughout the summer, our students participate in hands-on activities, literacy and math enrichment, technology-based learning, and experiences that help build confidence and prepare them for the upcoming school year.
One of the things that I love most about our ADSY summer program is seeing our students excited to come to school every day. Our teachers and staff, they have created meaningful lessons and activities that encourage creativity, collaboration, and also learning beyond the traditional classroom. It's wonderful to see our students growing in confidence while staying connected with their school community. We're proud to be part of their summer journey, and we look forward to seeing all they accomplish as they prepare for a successful new school year.